Construction projects move fast, but project coordination often slows teams down. Manual file transfers, lost markups, version confusion. There's a better way. Introducing the Be.𝗦𝗺 connector for Autodesk Forma and Bluebeam. Replace hours of manual markup coordination with automated workflows between Bluebeam Studio and Forma. Save up to 30 minutes per user every day by automating drawing coordination. Welcome to a new era of connected collaboration. Build automated workflows using triggers and actions. Control review cycles with scheduled transfers, ensuring the latest files are always where they should be. Say goodbye to manual file transfers, lost markups, and version confusion. Eliminate friction from the markup process, review faster, reduce errors, and keep your teams in sync, all without changing the tools your teams already trust. We bring Forma and Bluebeam together in one seamless workflow, supported by ARKANCE with technology, integration, implementation, and expert support. One accountable partner, ARKANCE. Let's connect your workflows with the Be.𝗦𝗺 connector.